Hey guys, we're at Sand Hallow State Park, Utah, and we're getting ready to install our SnapPads. So we were in a time crunch. We could probably do this at home, but we were apparently, from what we've researched, these are super easy to install, so you can actually install them anywhere. So we decided to take it with us. So let's see how the installation process goes. I believe you just need some soap and water, but I don't know, with all the stuff that we've been installing lately. Let's see. Alright, the dogs are just waiting for us to finish because they're freezing and they want to get back inside. But we gotta level this thing out. So we're just getting it opened.
So it does say.
So there's.
Goes on in 1 minute.
Yeah, it says there's only 3 steps. So.
What's that step?
Place them underneath the landing foot, lower it into the foot, and they'll be permanently attached, guys. So FYI, they'll be permanently attached. So here are some quick tips. You do need 2 people. You should do it on a flat, hard surface, and we're on a paved lot here, so we should be good. So, well, first thing, let's. Did you want to readjust the leveling system, or is it after we do these?
I said let's install these, and then.
Okay, so we're gonna install the SnapPads, and we're also gonna readjust our leveling system in our rig. Alright, we're gonna get started in the front of the rig. So let's wipe this all down. There's our dish soap.
Alright. So
I said
soap goes on here?
Yeah, I just said like a bead of soap. That is a lot of soap.
A bead. Spread it. Oh yeah, I feel like this is gonna slip right in.
Alright, Kevin's gonna go up there while I make sure this snaps into this pad properly. Yeah. Keep going. Stop. Stop. You want to look at it before you permanently hit it? Alright, how's that sitting? Well. So it's not done yet. You just got to punch it a little bit more, and then I just wanted you to see it first. Because it flexes once you punch that in. And then you're going to lift it back up, right? Is that good? Did you want to slide it towards a little bit? Yeah, because once you snap, it'll flex. It flexes.
Okay.
Okay.
This should be good right there.
Now you're gonna punch it all the way, right?
Can we do the other side at the same time? Let's do one side.
Yeah. Good. Keep going. Is that... Keep going. It's sinking in. Is that it?
That's it.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay, because I kept seeing it sink in a little bit more. I wasn't sure. So now bring it back up to make sure it lifts up together. Sorry guys, the engine does have to be on for the leveling system to work. Oh, there it goes. And we're good. Cool. Good. And then
oh, okay. Oh wow, it still turns. Okay, cool.
All right, cool. Let's work on the next 3. All right, next. We're still in the front here. All right. Wait, wait. Go up a little bit. Okay, down, down. Good. Go, you're good. All the way. Clear. Keep going. You want to check it? I saw it like slide in, but I just want you to check it because, you know, QC.
Yeah, fully inserted.
Cool. All
Sweet.
right. Let's move on to the rear.
I think it takes a minute for each.
Okay.
Unless you set everything up, then you do everything at one time.
Hey guys, what's going on? Watching? Supervising?
All clear?
Yeah, let's do the right side first and then, or you're doing it at the same time?
Yeah.
All right, go, clear. Keep going.
Tell me when I'm 2 inches away from each.
Okay. Wait. The passenger is gonna come first, all right?
Okay.
Go. Clear. Okay. Passenger clear. Keep going, we're good.
Is it both moving at the same time?
Yeah, they're both in. All right, clear. You want to take a look?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, let's
They look good.
Cool.
All right, the jacks are coming back up. And Kevin's gonna reset the leveling system.
Oh, no, this one didn't come in.
Oh no, it fell off. So we lifted up the jacks and this back one fell off. So we're gonna get those back in. Okay, so well, this passenger rear one fell down. Let's get this one redone. It looks like it snapped. Wanna check it? I think it snapped into place. Alright, let's bring it back up. You want it?
Let me check it.
Yeah, check it before we
Okay. Alright, cool. So,
Alright, now let's bring everything up and reset the leveling system. Good? Alright, so we're going to reset our leveling system because we have the SnapPads on. We just want to be able to start fresh. So I believe you're going to tap Is it on? Okay,
So let's
turn it on.
And then I believe it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
Oh, there you go.
So basically right now it's in programming mode or recalibration mode. So I already have my downloaded app.
Okay, so
for the level.
because we didn't bring one with us, we're out here in Utah. So we're here's there's like an app for anything nowadays.
So I believe.
Where which one am I following? The circle or the two?
So basically it's leaning towards the driver's side right now.
Yeah, okay.
So what we're gonna do is we always theoretically start with the front first. So we're gonna just go ahead and get those leveled down. Alright, that's touching now.
Okay, where are we now?
And now we're gonna go ahead and do the rear. Okay, that's touching now. So now we're gonna have to lift the driver's side. A little bit more. A little bit more. Just try to make it perfect 0.
Yeah. You're at one. You're at 1. You're almost there. Four. 2. Wait, that's -2. 0. Cool.
Ooh.
We're leveled.
Alright, so let me go down and look at all the jacks.
Okay.
Before we sit in stone.
All right, let's go outside and take a look.
So I like how it's not that high up. So I always want the tires touching the ground because the e-brakes.
So the tires are all touching. Well, oh, that's just the sun. I thought it was
Yeah, it looks great. All the jacks are down. Tires are touching the ground.
All right, so
I think we're gonna leave it there and set in stone.
cool. All right, let's go back up and finish it up. All right, we're gonna check one more thing, is just to make sure this door closes and locks, because one time we were out in the desert, it did not lock, and I want to say it kind of messed up the slide out. The slide out was flexing. So
yeah, it is. You gotta be considerate.
Yeah, so that's one.
How long the slide is.
Yeah, so that's probably one of the reasons why we got the SnapPads, is just to keep the rig as leveled as possible, because it can definitely flex this big one slide out that we have, and it may cause trouble for you closing, retracting, and extending the slide out. So just we went through that and it wasn't fun. Real quick, just one quick tip, guys. In your Ford chassis dash, you should be able to, when you're in the main menu, go to the off-road settings, and it'll lead you to the leveling system here. So this gauge tells you if your rig's leveled. So this is just another way to know if you're boondocking or whatever and you want to be as leveled as possible. You can actually check your chassis dash. It'll tell you if you're leveled or not. So this is a good tip to make sure you're leveled, because you definitely want to be as leveled as possible, because if your frame isn't, the frame can flex and it's going to cause slide out issues. It'll definitely open. I just can't guarantee it's gonna close back for you, because we ran into an issue before where we thought we were leveled and we got the slide back in. But just an FYI, this is a good tip to just ensure your rig is leveled before you get somewhere.
Now that we have everything set up
And leveled.
Yeah, everything looks great. Tires touching the ground. All the jacks are down. We're going to hit this retract button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So basically now it's calibrating everything and it's storing in its memory. So it says wait. We're gonna just wait till the light goes away. Yes. So basically that's it.
So every time we set up, it's gonna remember that?
Yes. So let's
cool.
go ahead and retract, turn it back on, retract everything.
Oh, that's...
Alright. So shut it down. So we basically just got to camp and we're gonna turn on our auto level. We're gonna go ahead and hit the auto and let the ultra level system do its work. Hopefully we did it right.
And then we'll take your phone back out and I guess level it again. Just
Yeah, we can do that.
don't move.
Oh, and also while it's leveling, you don't want to move or anything, make any drastic movements because it'll throw the leveling system off.
Cool. All right, let's get that level out and see how it did.
So, I mean,
It's flipping back and forth.
yeah, I mean, it's good enough for now. I can always do it again at home.
I know this is not too bad for us just doing this on the fly
But
in
you
a
know
different territory. You know, we're not at home.
So I would rather have it at a 0.2 rather than 0 because the slide is basically gonna bring it back a little bit and it'll eventually zero out.
Okay.
So we'll test it out and see how it goes.
Guys, well, that's it. It was a quick install. And also a quick reset. Well, not too bad. Just press the top arrow 5, press it down arrow 5 times, do your whole calibration level and all that stuff, and then hit the all jacks 3 times, right?
Yes.
And that was it. So we're out here in Utah and we totally just installed our SnapPads and re-leveled our rig. And we can definitely re-level this back at home. It's not gonna be perfect, but I don't think you want it at 0 because I don't know.
Kind of want to counter the weight of the slide because basically right now the slide is in. So once the slide moves out, it's gonna have more leverage.
That makes sense.
Basically, it's gonna want to pull more towards the driver's side.
That makes sense.
So I mean, we're testing it out just to see if it actually works.
And
that way.
It was quick to do, anyways. It's not that it wasn't really difficult. I think this was probably the easiest install of our Black Friday haul, guys. So and that's it for this little mini series of our little Black Friday haul and install. Thanks guys for joining us as always. We will see you guys next week. Bye.
Thanks.